Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today, as you can tell by the title and thumbnail, or probably the reason why you clicked on this video, is because we are installing the improved racing catch can on my Civic Sport Touring. Now, box literally just got here, so I'm going to get this opened up and then I'm going to show you how to put it in there. So we just opened up the box, got the catch can right here. We opted for the green top cap, but then the black little locking pin, so you can choose either of these in green, black, or silver. We just thought, you know, it would be a little different. So this is gonna go about right here, but overall the packaging actually looks pretty good. We got a full color manual, we got the hoses, mounts, we leave them out right here, and all this replaces is this little hose right here. So the inlet and outlet are gonna replace those to the catch can. So should be a pretty easy install, but got you guys along the way. One thing I also forgot to mention is nice about this catch can is it's really easy to take the can off. So you just pull the pin there and then you push up. It's just an 1/8 turn and then boom, it's separated. So that's one of the reasons why we bought this compared to others, is because it seems very easy to install and it's super easy to actually check your oil level. So we got the bracket all put together and we got this little spacer on. There's 3 separate pieces. And we took the firewall mounting bracket off, so I believe it should be mounting somewhere down here. But now I'm gonna put the catch can on that bracket and put it in. So now we're taking that bracket off. There's 2 screws that hold that part of the bracket on. And then where those 2 screws are is where we do these 2 and then mount it to the car. Then also to mount the catch can, you can see in there there's holes. That is because when you unscrew this, there's a little notch right there. So you unscrew the top and then you just put the bottom of that and then screw the top on to secure it. So I'm gonna get this done real quick. So upon further investigation, this bracket actually goes behind here between the firewall, and the spacer, this little piece, goes on the back of this bracket, and that's what goes right there on the firewall. So actually pretty clever. We're gonna go ahead and get this mounted. So finally, we have the bracket in for everything. Note, do not drop anything, because we had to jack up the whole car, take off the under trays, just to get the little piece that goes between the bracket and the firewall. So we're already exhausted, but the hard part's done. Mention really quick, when mounting the bracket to the firewall, you actually use different hardware. So these are the old screws, and they give you screws that are just slightly longer than this, just because of the added length of the bracket and the plate. And just like that, catch can is in, hoses are fitted, got the inlet from the valve cover and the outlet to the intake manifold. Catch can looking all nice and pretty. And this thing took way longer than it should have, mainly because of dropping everything.
That's the only reason.
But hopefully it will all be worth it. Catch more, will help this motor better than even the catch can in TRX does, because that's already, I mean, it's crazy to see how much oil it catches in that. Doesn't look like any leaks. It is nice that these fittings are just quick detach, so they just snap on, snap off under the fittings that connect to the catch can. So really convenient if you need to service anything, but as of right now, everything looks pretty good. Alright everyone, well, as you saw, it's a huge success. I mean, a lot of headache, but I mean, that's nothing related to the catch can, it's just annoying. But install was actually very easy. I'm glad that Improved Racing made it so easy compared to other, like, I'm not going to name names, but there's a intake that I saw, or catch can that I saw, that you needed to Dremel out a slot to fit a flathead screwdriver. So this is probably the best one, I think, on the market. No, we're not sponsored, not being paid full price for this, but nothing but good things. Quality feels amazing, and hopefully it'll help this thing run for years to come. I'll leave the link down for the catch can in the description. Anyways, thank you guys so very much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Ciao.